Hello guys, nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona-ke i-channel bafethu igama Unqoba Dlamini, also known by the name of DJ Chef The Soul. Nganisa ngibonge kakhulu kubantu-ke abasupport i-channel. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungakhohlwa uma umusha kule channel-ke ukusubscribe uma ubuka nje i-video, ungakhohlwa futhi ukulike, ushare futhi-ke ucomment. Nganisa la nginiphathele udouble thinta u-MT no-Big Zulu. Sakhumbula ukuthi uBig Zulu-ke uke waba laphaya kwi-podcast yakhe-ke uMac G. So kulapho-ke athe khona-ke u-MT akamregard njenge-rapper. So bafethu-ke MT has not responded, or has responded rather, to Big Zulu's statement about him to being considered as a rapper in strict terms of the definition. So okushiwo-ke uBig Zulu lapha uthe-ke akamthathisi-ke okwe-rapper, kodwa-ke uyacabanga ukuthi-ke kunomusic omnandi-ke awenzayo, owenzela nje bona-ke abantu. So the black hitmaker is focused on just making hits and doesn't really mind what people think he is. So MT's self-esteem is more solid than that. Ngamanye amazwi bafethu-ke uyazithemba, uwumfana ozithembayo futhi uwumfana-ke owaziyo ukuthi-ke into yakhe uyenza kanjani. So he is gearing up for the release of his upcoming album titled Logan and is working overtime to give the people what they want. Siyamazi-ke umuntu osebenza ngokukhulu ukuzikhandla when it comes to music-ke. So Mzansi musician MT has responded to Big Zulu not regarding njengoba kade sesishilo, and-ke siyakhumbula ukuthi lapha kwi-podcast yakhe-ke uMac G ila uBig Zulu njengoba kade isike sasho nasekuqaleni-ke asho khona le nkulumo yakhe. So surprisingly MT was not bothered and said that he actually likes what Big Zulu said about him. So ngamanye amazwi cha akakudinelwe-ke okushiwo yena uBig Zulu, kodwa uyakuvumela nganisa kwethu-ke okuyinto-ke enhle-ke, because-ke akusizi ukuthi-ke into oyiyona unqabe noma uphike ukuthi uyiyona ngoba nakho ishiwo omunye umuntu mhlawumbe obukeka competitor kuwena noma kanjani. So nganisa kwethu-ke nakho-ke amagama ashiwo uyena nje u-MT ephuma-ke emlonyeni wakhe, to quote, "Yeah, that's cool. I like that because that's what I do. I don't put myself in the rap category like that. I just want to make a dope music and catchy stuff," said MT. So nganisa ukuthi ngiyacela ukuthi nizwakalise imibono yenu ngalolu daba kwi-comment section. Thank you.